good morning and welcome back to the Cargo channel. It may only be 7:45 in the morning, but I'm already caffeinated thanks to New York City Bagel and Coffee House, and I'm on my way to Autosport Designs, where they're holding their annual Ferrari Owners Club Cars and Coffee, and we should be able to see some of the rarest and more expensive Ferraris in the world. So I'm hooking you up, but first I got my fuel. Slate needs it as well. Let's go fuel up Slate. $3.59 for gas, that's obnoxious. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Let's go. That's it. GT3. Alright, I arrived on time, which means I'm first, besides a Porsche Boxster over there. But we parked Slade right here at the end. We might have to move him on the other side, LA Fitness parking lot, because I'm not sure if he's gonna fit with all the Ferraris around here. Alright, a Ferrari 812 Superfast. And a cool 599. Love the new Superfast. And right here, parked next to the Ferrari Daytona, just looks awesome. But let's go ahead and look at the showroom first, because that's where we should start. And right greeting us is a beautiful Ferrari F40, parked right next to the iconic Ferrari F50. Only 349 men of these, and there is one here right next to an F40. What an awesome dealership Autosport Designs. Let's get right into this showroom as well. You can see the Lamborghini Countach, a quite curious Ferrari that I've never seen before. Looks like a station wagon, mind you, with 4 seats and a huge trunk. If any of you knows what this is, please hit me in the comment section. Also, let's go around clockwise and take a look at these. A cool 308 GTB, 512 Testarossa. We have the 512 BBI Berlinetta Boxster. There we go, randomly parked GT3 RS, E-Type convertible. Very cool Toyota truck. I'm gonna continue over here with the Ferrari 330 GTO Recreation. As I promised, hooking you up. There we go. Another Testarossa. We have the red and the black Testarossa right over there. Have Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Roadster. I love those older style Mercedeses. There we go. We have the 365 GTB GT4 and 365 GT 2x2. So we have a Maranello, and right next to it another Ferrari 365 GT 2x2, 2+2. Fun fact, I have never seen so many four-seater Ferraris in one spot before. And if I have to turn you around into their service station, just park randomly huge amount of Aston Martins. Peep the DB5 over there. Just an amazing dealership. Let's go outside and take a look at the cars arriving, because I'm sure there will be plenty of cool, rare and hyper expensive Ferraris coming in. Also peep the Toyota 2002 right here, GT. Beautiful car. James Bond, anyone? So we have a 599, 599, Daytona, and the F12 Superfast. Right there.
Morning.
And we're expecting a lot more cars. Just a quick look at the front of this 812 Superfast, and you can see that the owner already curbed the wheel. Brand new car. Don't take pointers from this guy. But this is super clean Daytona. Gorgeous car. Just looking at the inside of the 599, and mind you, if you could look at these brakes, and also if you hear, I don't know if the microphone can pick it up, but they're crackling. I have the faint feeling that these have been driven hard here today. And if you think that one crackles, just listen to this one as well. Oh yeah. This one has the cloth covers on the seats. You gotta keep them in pristine condition, these cars.
I want to keep the revs down but still have the sound. Then I leave that off and I press this.
Alright, so I was just let know of something I didn't know. This car is rather special because this is the Ferrari GT330 shooting brake, and it's one of. It's only one ever made, and that's why I haven't seen it before. So I asked around, and look at the design of this thing. Look at the back. It's Ferrari station wagon. Let's go and look at the interior. You can notice that the rear view mirror is quite low, and the car is manual. Beautiful interior. Beautiful tan interior. Color kind of bronzish. Looking great. I dig the little grills right in front of the headlights. Really rather special car. You can see these only right here at Autosport Designs. One of Ferrari. And let's look again outside, and the Ferraris are filling the parking lot. Have the 512 Spaghetti, very nice 488 GTB, 458 Italia. This was the 328, another 458 Italia, second super fast. Matter of fact, this is the second one I ever see, and both of them are in the same place. Autosport Design, Cars and Coffee rules. Also I hear some new cars arriving, so let's see what's coming up. Looks like it's another 458 Italia. Followed by the F430. And there's a GT3 RS casually rolling in on Ferrari Day. Baller.
Yeah.
Gorgeous car. Wait for the vlog. Alright, let's run real quick through all the cars that are here. We have the Ferrari, wait, that's Port Boxster. Then we have the 599, 458 Italia Spider. We have the 308, 599 Daytona, F12 Superfast, 812 Superfast. We have this beautiful Testarossa. Somebody brought their GT3 RS, of course. Another 812 Superfast, 458 Italia, 308, 458, 488, 512 Spaghetti. But not 100% sure. 458, 430, and Slate. Oh, BMW, what are you doing here? And a banana just showed up. Look what's just rolling in. Look at this. Lamborghini Diablo SV. Look at this car. Showstopper. What a bowler. He brought it on Ferrari Day. Way to go, Lambo. We just got Godzilla coming in the car meet. Beautiful R33 and right-hand drive at that. Gorgeous car, look at this. Way to steal the thunder. Do it for the vlog. Vantage. What a hero. Wait for the vlog. What heroes these people are. Also, what a fantastic event over here with Autosport Designs. This week they had the Ferrari Day. Next week they're having a Porsche Day, which I'm pretty much hope that I'm gonna attend. I'm 95% sure that I will. We saw a one-off Ferrari. We saw a lot, two super fast, even though I haven't seen one even before. Even the Diablo SV showed up. What an amazing collection now to Sport Design. Also, what an amazing turnout to this event. Now it's time for me to get along with the rest of my day, and I wish you guys have a wonderful day. Also, if you did like the video, if you did like all those awesome cars, hit the thumbs up. I know you want it. I know you do. Smash it if that's something you do. But if you like the videos, how-to videos, lifestyle vlogs, car show events, subscribe. Hit that bell button as well. Why not? Why not? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.